Dear students, previous class we will discuss about two enzyme classes such as oxidoreductases, transferases. Today we are going to discuss about remaining four enzyme classes, that is hydrolases, liases, isomerases, ligases. Dear students, totally enzymes are divided into six major classes. These are first one oxidoreductases, second one transferases, third one hydrolases, fourth one liases, fifth one isomerases, sixth one ligases. Dear students, now coming to third enzyme class, that is hydrolases. Hydrolases means to be adding water molecules, within the enzyme, to be adding water molecules within the enzyme. Okay, now enzymes catalyzing hydrolysis, ester, ether, peptide and glycosidic bonds. Hydrolysis by means to be adding water molecules, the substrate molecule. So to be added water molecule within the help of one enzyme to be forming another organic compound. That is enzymes catalyzing hydrolysis, ester, ether, peptide, any glycosidic bonds. Given the for example are here. So to be followed by glycolysis cycle, that is on substrate fructose 1,6-bisphosphate plus H2O within the help of enzyme fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase to be formed fructose 6-phosphate plus inorganic phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate plus inorganic phosphate. So dear students, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate so is dissolved water molecule, within the help of fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase. So hence to be formed fructose 6-phosphate. So after reaction fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. So before the reaction fructose 6-phosphate plus inorganic phosphate, that is hydrolases. So now coming fourth enzyme class, liases. Liases means enzymes that catalyze removal of groups. Substrates by mechanism other than hydrolysis, leaving double bonds. Dear students, so in this class the enzyme are not utilizing of the water molecules, at the same time to be removal of group substrates, by mechanism leaving to be double bonds, that is carbon between carbon having two bonds. So leaving double bonds, that is known as liases. Okay, now enzymes that catalyze removal of group substrates by mechanism other than hydrolysis, leaving double bonds. So given the for example are here, arganosuccinic acid is followed by Krebs cycle. Arganosuccinic acid converted to arginine plus fumaric acid within the help of enzyme arganosuccinase. So dear students, all enzymes catalyzing interconversion of atoms are ions. All enzymes catalyzing interconversion of atoms are ions. So dear students, to be changed. So structure of atom and structure of ion. So given for the example is followed by Calvin cycle, that is ribose 5-phosphate is converted to ribose 5-phosphate. Okay now, ribose 5-phosphate, then after to be changed of ribose 5-phosphate. So with the help of ribose 5-phosphate isomerase, ribose 5-phosphate isomerase, change of the structure, change of the atom structure or change of the ion structure or change of the substrate structure, change of the atom structure, change of the ion structure or change of the substrate structure or change of the organic compound structure. So now ribose 5-phosphate, then after converted to ribose 5-phosphate. 5-phosphate is same, but ribose after change of the form, ribose after form, ribose. So here ribose 5-phosphate is converted to ribose 5-phosphate with the help of enzyme ribose 5-phosphate isomerase. Ribose 5-phosphate isomerase. So by means ribose 5-phosphate is catalyzed by ribose 5-phosphate isomerase to be formed ribose 5-phosphate. Ribose 5-phosphate. By means isomerase is also responsible for interconversion of atoms or ions. So now coming to the sixth enzyme class, ligases. Ligases means to be form a one type of covalent bonds. To be form a one type of covalent bonds. So enzymes catalyzing the linking together two compounds. Enzymes catalyzing the linking together two compounds. Enzymes is always catalyzed joining of carbon oxygen, carbon sulfur, carbon nitrogen, phosphorus oxygen bonds. That is ligases. So dear students, so ligases is always responsible for linking together of two compounds. Such as carbon one compound, oxygen one compound. So carbon oxygen between of one linking, one single bond. So the linking together two compounds such as carbon between oxygen, carbon between sulfur, carbon between nitrogen, phosphorus between oxygen. So these are the two compounds, linking bonds, single bonds. So given the for example are here glutamic acid plus ammonia to be changed of glutamine plus ADP plus PI. ADP adenosine diphosphate plus inorganic phosphate with the help of enzyme glutamine synthetase. Why means glutamic acid plus ammonia is catalyzed by glutamine synthase to be form of glutamine plus ADP plus PI. So this is a ligases. So dear students, according to IUB, that is International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, to be discovered or identified and studied to be several thousands of types of enzymes, but mainly most of the different types of groups based on the type of reaction they catalyze. Mainly enzymes are divided into 6 major classes. Enzymes are mainly divided into 6 classes, each class with 4 to 13 subclasses. Each enzyme are having to 4-digit enzyme numbers or 4-digit enzyme code. So dear students, now the 6 classes are namely, first one is oxidoreductases, second one is transferases, third one is hydrolases, fourth one is ligases, fifth one is isomerases, sixth one is ligases. Sixth one is ligases. So this is about classification of enzymes. Okay, now thank you.